So many people actually misunderstand when they cannot speak Japanese perfectly. What they think first is, oh, I don't know grammar very well. I don't know vocabulary so much, so I need to study. So many people actually misunderstand. The reason why you cannot speak Japanese perfectly is not about your grammar knowledge. It's even not about vocabulary. Try imagine why 3 or 4 years old children can speak the language perfectly. Japanese 3, just 4 years old children can speak Japanese perfectly. They don't even make a mistake, so much grammar mistake like you. They just speak naturally without thinking about grammar. And why many people actually misunderstand when they cannot speak perfectly. I don't have enough grammar knowledge, which no children know about any grammar. So you really need to actually think why you cannot speak Japanese perfectly. So, they actually believe, the grammar knowledge is actually bring you to become a fluent Japanese speaker, like perfect pronunciation, a perfect native phrase, and like perfect communication skill. This, not. The reason why you cannot speak today is just you don't have this native knowledge, which is like how this pronunciation works perfectly. How the Japanese communication, flow. When you speak English, hey, what's up? I'm good. What have you been? Yeah, I was doing this. You have like this communication flow. In Japanese, you have no idea what I need to ask. What I need to answer this is not about your grammar skills. So please do not pay even $1 to just get today's grammar skills. If you really believe, if you know grammar, everything, if you can speak perfectly, just read the book, but you don't need to pay anything with a teacher to learn just one grammar. It really doesn't bring to you become a fluent.